One of the biggest challenges they face is obviously the sustainable use of natural resources, i.e. really the forests. As we know, Namibia has lost about a quarter of its forest cover over the past 30 years. And that is due to many reasons: deforestation, forest fires, and. But one of the things, it's about resource mobilization and also putting the money where it creates the most benefits in the long term. And one of the things I see lacking for Namibia in general is a comprehensive national forest inventory, which is a bit of like a stock take. Like the shop owner needs to know what he has in the shop. If he doesn't know it, he cannot supply his customers. And in the same way, we cannot protect that resource. We cannot ensure a sustainable use of the resource if we don't have an inventory, a national inventory. Because that also then would allow us for Namibia to have a national forest management plan in place. That will then in turn also, with regards to climate change, provide an opportunity for carbon credits to enter the carbon credit market, and then also to create a local value chain for the people in the communities, in the villages, to stay there, to maintain their livelihoods, actually to improve their livelihoods through that. So one of the recommendations I would put forward, not in my professional capacity, but as somebody who feels strongly about the forests and the livelihoods of the local communities in rural areas, that would be a key component also to move forward and to make sure that on the one hand you mobilize that resource, but on the other hand protect it. You can then also start reforestation, afforestation programs, and create jobs locally in rural communities and would allow for people to stay there.